Side hustle I wish I knew earlier, part 9. And this is one of my favorite side hustles, so make sure you watch to the end. First thing you're gonna do is head over to canva.com and create a free account. Then you're gonna find the option that says logo, and then you're gonna click on it. Next, you're going to create a symbol design just like this one, and you're gonna save it as a PDF with a transparent background. Once you have your design saved, you're gonna go ahead to Printify.com and you're gonna create a free account. In here, you're gonna find different products where you can add your design to it. Once you find the product that you want to put your design on, you're going to click Start Designing. Now you can simply add your design to your product. You also want to make sure everything looks good and it's centered. And now you're simply going to click Save Product. Now you're going to connect your Printify account to your Etsy account so you can start selling. You want to add a nice title and a description so when people see your product, they're more tempted to buy it. Now every time someone buys your product, Printify will print and ship your design. So the only thing you have left to do is sit back and collect the difference. Make sure you save this video